Your Hoover Cleanslate isn't dispensing water. When you've turned it on, you're pulling the trigger, no water's coming out. There's a couple common issues that might be happening, so let's go over them. First is your clean water tank, your solution tank. You want to make sure that it's full, and you want to make sure that it is in position correctly. You hear that? It's got a nice little click letting you know that you've pushed it down and it's in correctly. You can sometimes just rest it on there. It's just not down enough to where it's dispensing the water, so make sure you push it down a little bit. It doesn't lock into position or anything else like that. It just rests in there, but make sure that it is fully in position. Another thing that you want to check is that it's actually dispensing water. So here you've got this little spring-loaded piece that you can actually push in a little bit, and when you do that, water runs out of there. So hold it over the sink a little bit and just push that in and make sure that it's actually dispensing water. Because if it's not dispensing water, well, that could be your problem right there. Something could actually be clogged inside of the tank, inside of that little nozzle there, so make sure you're actually dispensing water. Now, if you're still not getting any water when you pull the trigger here out of this nozzle, it could just mean that your pump and your line is not primed. Basically, there's a big air bubble in there. So what you want to do is put the cleaner, the machine component here with your water reservoir, up on a table, up on a chair, and then you want to hold this nozzle piece below it over a bucket. Now, you don't actually need the scrub tool on there. You can actually take that off. Now, when you're in position here, you want to turn the machine on and pull and hold this trigger, and it could take a minute or more. So be patient, set a timer so you know how long it's taking, and just turn the machine on and pull and hold that trigger. So mine's primed already, it's spraying water just fine, but just try those things, see if that helps you. If not, you may have a deeper problem, but that typically fixes your issue. If your machine is working correctly, it's turning on, you have power, but there's just no water coming out of that nozzle. Hopefully that helps. I do have a full tutorial on how to use this machine. Also, if you like DIY around the house stuff, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.